Hello, this is Earl Spate. I am the Director of Operations at the Cicada Companies. We're currently sponsoring the Crypto Bootcamp. I wanted to personally welcome you to attend our bootcamp. This is where all of the myths will be dispelled, all of the lies will be destroyed. Everything you want to know about crypto will be discussed in our all-day hands-on training. We'll share with you security. We'll share with you how to set up and deploy your wallet properly and how to avoid the many pitfalls that exist out there. Some people say that cryptocurrencies is a scam. Cryptocurrencies is not a scam, but there are many scams within crypto. Why not attend our boot camp and let us show you how to do it properly and avoid the many pitfalls that are out there? Is there wealth to be gained in crypto? Plenty. But more than wealth, freedom can be gained. Freedom to make your transactions unimpeded by counterparty risks. Freedom to make your transactions without some middleman or some central authority recording or even determining what transactions you can even make. Yes. Cryptocurrencies is a great financial liberator, and I want to personally invite you to be there Saturday, 28th of January, 2023 at the McKimmon Center on the campus of North Carolina State University, Raleigh, North Carolina. I think it's 1106 Gorman Street. That's 27606. Come out, bring your friends. Please share. We want to fill the house up. We want to start a financial revolution right here in Raleigh with the Crypto Bootcamp. And the only way we're going to make more financially free people is to introduce them into cryptocurrencies the proper way and lay a solid foundation for the future. I've staked a lot on cryptocurrencies. It's done a lot for me, and I want to share it with you. I'm Earl Spate. I'm the Director of Operations at the Cicada Companies, sponsor of the Crypto Bootcamp. So I look forward to seeing you. Take care.